So today we have the two most favorite 650cc of all time. One is Suzuki Wagon Hybrid and the other one is Mitsubishi EK Wagon with the naturally aspirate engine. Both are 650cc's, both are sharing the same price, but there are some difference in both cars. Starting from the Mitsubishi, we can have a look inside the interior. About the interior, everyone has their own choices. Some like the interior of Mitsubishi because of its premium white color. Some like the interior of Wagoner. Here, toward this side, this car is coming with driver heated seat, headlight adjustment, retractable side mirrors, auto on-off, and traction control. And you can get some cup holders over here. And it comes with a conventional key. No push start is available in this car. Towards the back, this car is having a flat bed, so it will give you more comfort while on long traveling. And towards the back, here's the look of its EK wagon. And now talking about the Wagoner, this is the back look of Wagoner. It comes with a smart entry with push start, black in color. Towards the back, it is also having a flat bed, but bit more spacious than the Mitsubishi EK wagon. Over here, you can get some umbrella holding, bottle holder. Windows are automatic. Here you can see it's here with dark blue seats, and here it comes with a push start button. Here you can see that there are it's auto on off, you have eyesight, you have lane departure assist, you have traction control, you have headlight adjustment, and also you have a heads up display. That's here. About the speedometer, Wagoner is having a wide speedometer mounted on the dashboard. Towards here, you can see it is having a digital climate control and cup holders over here. The dashboard is bit bigger than EK wagon. Is a bit boxy shaped. So is the headlights of this car and comes with a chrome garnished grille and a big Suzuki logo in front. Coming towards EK wagon. EK wagon is a bit more stylish kind of car. The lights are a bit round. You can also see chrome garnished grills over here and also the same size logo of Mitsubishi. About the looks of the car, everyone has their own opinions, but according to me, my opinion, Mitsubishi EK Wagon is better in looks from outside, but the interior of Wagoner is better and spacious and more futuristic than the EK Wagon.